Okay, hello everyone. So today, I will teach you how to make a string arc using this app, GeoGebra. So after opening the app, let's go to the toolbar and click points. And we have to make at least 3 non-collinear points. So we have point A, point B, and point C. After making points, let's go to the toolbar again and choose line and click segment. So we have to connect points point A to B, and so we have segment A, and let us also connect point A to C, so we have segment B. After making this, let's go again to the toolbar and choose slider, or click the slider, and we can put this slider in any part of the screen. So let's put it here. So let's name the slider as B, and the minimum is 1 and the maximum is 100. And since this is just a tutorial, you can make any maximum value, and so we have the increment as 0.5. So click apply. Okay, as you can see, we have now the slider, and after making the slider, let's go to the input bar, and then we have to type sequence bracket A as the vertex and A plus I over B, because B is our slider, and then parentheses B minus A, comma I, comma 1, and comma B, which is the slider, and we click enter. So we have now list 1. So let's click list 1 and let's do some necessary correction. So we remove the opening parentheses and the closing parentheses here. So let's click apply and OK. So we have now list 1. So let's go back again to the input bar and we type sequence bracket A, which is the vertex, plus I over N, and then parentheses C minus A, and then comma I, comma 1, and comma B, which is the slider. Okay, so in here, the slider is B, so remove N to make the code correct, and then we click enter. So let's click again here the list 2 to make some necessary correction. So we remove again the opening parentheses and the closing parentheses. So let's click apply and OK. So we have list 1 and list 2. And for the final code, or the last code, we type in the input bar sequence bracket segment bracket element bracket list 1 comma I, and then comma element bracket list 2, and then B minus plus 1 minus I, and comma 1 comma I, comma 1, and comma B, which is the slider, and we click enter. So as you can see, we have here a new segment. So to make this a string arc, we have to move the slider here. So as you can see, we have now string arts. We have many points. So this is just a simple way of making a string arts. It's up to you how to make this creative, and you can make this as creative as you want by adding points or making or adding colors or any want any way you want. So I hope this helps you. So that would be all. Goodbye.